So it's a quick tutorial on how to update pages. Just a quick summary. Once you go through, you'll get the gist very quickly. So over here on the left-hand side, after you log in, you'll have your pages. You have your posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, and so on. This is called your dashboard. First, click on All Pages, and that will take you to a page that looks just like this, listing out all the pages of hutchensmedia.com. So first, for example, we're going to edit About You. Click on Edit, and that takes us to the About You page. So I'm just going to be doing this tutorial based on the content that's already on hutchensmedia.com. So this is the About You page. We go to About You, you click on Edit, and once you're inside, you'll see a page that looks like this. Generally, we're not going to talk about this content that goes in your paragraph, but once you get acclimated, you can play around and see what happens when you do type text in that box. You'll see it on the About You page. If you slide down here, you'll see the page builder. It's content management system. It's pretty cool. You just you click on each of these buttons, and it'll show up down below in the in this area down below the page builder. So for this example, we have the header, and the header is the large content that you see here, originally designed to just do one sentence, but I thought it looked cool to use the oversized. So that's that. And then let's just pretend you typed your content in there. You click Done. You'd move on to your next column. You would click on Column, and Column would appear. And you can slide these around to order them as well. So let's just say we just clicked on Column, and we drag it up to this top position. We'd edit it. The image, if you wanted an image within your content, you'd just paste the link to that image here, title, and so on. Very self-explanatory. This is the Hutchens Media little blurb below the large intro text right here, just so you know what it looks like. Hutchens Media is underlined. I don't know why I did it that way. It would take. We could put an address there if you wanted to take it somewhere specific. And then is a full service consulting. That's that content below there, and so on. And then you click Done, and then for each of the columns below, see I have 4 icons set up here. WordPress considers that a column. So you would edit it, and there's conceptualization, the image link, and then the content that goes with it. You click Done, and so on for the other 4. This bottom column, we're actually going to delete for our purposes, just to show you. So let's say you have a column here that you don't like, or the content, you can just delete it and it goes away. Now let's say you wanted to add another heading or an event, like the free lunch and learn seminar. You wanted to add an event. You click on event, you put the content there within here. You could edit it and the date, and it'll create a tile for you automatically. I guess that's it for this section. Delete. So once you click Done on each of these, you can then come up to the top of the page, and this is for all the pages. You can click Preview to see the change. I know Joomla does this too. You just click Preview to see the change before you post it, or you can just click Update. So I would click Update, and now it's live on hutchensmedia.com, and so on. So let's go to the next page. As we go back to All Pages. The next in the All Pages section is the Capabilities page. So we will go to Capabilities over here, and again, all this stuff I'm not going to go through right now. This is just to get your bearings on what's happening in the site. For some reason, the HostGator server's a little slow today. Don't know why. Could be me. Okay, so the Capabilities section. Let's go back over here. This is what the Capabilities section. If you recall from the About You section, we set up 4 columns. Boom, boom, boom. So now in Capabilities, we set up 4 columns, and this section needs attention. Right? Dan and I spoke about it. So here's column 1. This is the marketing strategy section with our content here. You would add it, obviously the image. You would click Done. The next column, edit, add the content, print design, boom, done, and so on. Now let's say we wanted we wanted a heading. and we wanted the heading above above these capabilities, and we wanted to call it core strengths or whatever. So you click on the button here, it shows up on the bottom, but you can drag the order of things too. And you would edit, and then you type in your blah 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 blah. You click done. You click done, and then you could either go to preview changes or update. I would normally I hit update, but because we're not going to use this heading, I'm just going to delete that. And obviously, if I wanted the order of these columns to change, I can do that. I can slide them, drag and drop. Pretty cool. I know Joomla does that too. And that's it. And then you would just click update. I'm just going to click update just for fun. And then the next page is our team. Our team, we have 6 people on our team, and each of them has the content which is uploaded to the media, which I'll show you how to do that. That's Janet. And that's Janet's link, Janet's title, and then Janet's content. And we would click done, and we would click update. And you would rinse and repeat for all of the team members. Pretty self-explanatory. And again, if we wanted to add any of these headers, the follow, the contacts, the slider, and so on. The next one would be portfolio. Portfolio is portfolio. We have 2 options for our portfolio. One is the slider, which I thought works best for the portfolio content I was given. But masonry is pretty cool too. Masonry, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but it sets up, just like a brick pattern almost, and it varies in sizes. So you see, I just click this. This is pulling from the uploaded images to our media, and I'll show you what the media library is. So each one of these is in our media library. So all you do is just click whichever ones you want to use, and you can change the order and so on and so forth. I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to show that as, and then you would click, obviously you click done, you would click done, and you would click either preview or update, and it's live on the site. So I'm going to delete, let's say, and also we wanted the masonry portfolio to be on top of slider. We would just drag and drop. So I'm going to delete that, delete, and now the next section is about well, contact information. That's good. You're not going to probably have to touch that, but if you go into the Contact Us section, you will see that, go ahead, call, write, or visit. You can edit this any way you want. I'll show you how to do that. And then this, the send us a message, I'll show you where that is, and then the set up the map, which is all it's all pre-programmed now. Okay, sorry I'm going so fast, and it's not as smooth as I'd like, but here's the content here. If you want to edit that content that I wrote, no hard feelings. Okay, so the contacts. This is the Google Maps code. Obviously, where you get that. You go to Google and you grab it from the embed code. I guess that's it for this. Contacts, follow. Yeah, this is all of our social media, and that's part of the follow tab, follow button, click follow, and so on. Okay, the next one is what was this one? I don't remember. Oh, this is posts. So for posts for the blog, you do not go to the blog page. You don't go to the blog down here. Blog, that's just the main page for the blog if you want to change the style of that. But when you want to update, you'll click on posts on the dashboard up here on the left, and that'll take you to the post page where you can create your posts. Wow, I don't know why this is running so slowly. Okay. Okay, so here's the post. I've made everything private for a reason. These are private, so if you want to see how to do a blog post with an image, you would just click on edit, and you could see it. Now the general public, the visitors, don't see this because I've made it private. So if you want to edit, you click edit, and you could make it private or public up here, over here on the right. You can make it public or private or password protect it. You click OK, and then you would click update. So I'm actually going to, well, let's make this, we'll make this the first post. So to create a post, you would just click on Add New, and also when you click on Posts over here, you have the Add New option as well. But for this case, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So click Add New, and you come over here and you would type free lunch and learn summer blah 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 blah. And then here is the uploads section, and that's where you would grab the image for the image library. Okay, so I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to go back. Okay, so I'll actually continue the blog. I'll do a blog tutorial next to keep this one as short as possible, even though it was pretty long. So come back and I'll show you how to do a blog post next. Okay, we'll see you later. Sorry for the babble. Bye.